Hello everyone, my name is Diane and I'm the owner and creator of Vermont Lavender. Thank you for joining me today. I'm in the shop today and I'm making a avocado body butter with shea butter in it. It has metaphone seed extract. It has sea salt and lily from brambleberry.com. That's a beautiful scent. It has scents of magnolia and jasmine and citrus and sage and lavender. It's a beautiful scent, and this is a creamy body butter. And so I'm getting ready to fill all these up, and I have a few right here, and I'm going to pipe these little ones right here. I have my piping bag all filled, and I'm just going to cut the tip off. Just got done making a cashmere vanilla with scented body butter with lavender essential oil, and this is a cranberry butter blend. So it has a little bit of, I don't know if you can see that, just a tiny bit of real cranberry in there, and it won't affect the skin. It's nice and smooth, but it came out beautiful, and it's a nice whipped body butter. And then I also made a lavender orange one, and this has lavender essential oil. I have it all capped and sterilized and ready to label, and this has orange butter blend. So it has orange essential oil in it. I have bergamot, which is bergapine free, so it doesn't affect the skin. And then I have lavender essential oil, and I'll have this available on my website and in my retail shop. All right, thanks for watching. This is Diane from Vermont Lavender.